So how do you manually rotate the screen on your Android? Let me talk about it and show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and let's get into it. So of course you are on the home screen or inside of any app, and when you swipe down to access the control center, we have the screen orientation. So you can decide if it's logged in a portrait or if it's set to auto rotate. And when you set it to auto rotate, you can rotate the phone and it's gonna like turn the screen as well. However, if you want this to be controlled manually, you can explore some options and third-party apps on the Play Store. So there are apps which you can look up, which are called literally like the rotation of the screen, right? And you're going to see that there are apps which are literally designed to make it available for you to manually rotate the screen with a click of a button. When you install such app, you will need to give the app permission. So it's obviously something that, you're going to have to give it a deep access to your phone so it can control things like orientation. But using those apps, you would basically have the ability to tap on a button and the screen would rotate. That is something which you might need for some specific use case. I believe in a day-to-day life, it is okay to just use the built-in auto rotate and like rotate it to your landscape, then lock it, whatever. But yeah, that's how you can do it manually using the third-party apps. So I really hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and most importantly, the reasons why you're trying to do that. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.